Hey friends,
I'm Mike.
and I'm Karen, and we are the Baskets.
We just bought this small farm and we are going to renovate it, flip it, make it into our dream home.
Our forever home. We hope that you guys will like, subscribe, follow, ring the notification bell so you get weekly updates on our vlog.
And what is going to be the best part about this is we're going to be here with you every single week. And we hope that you'll join us as you see step by step the process that turns this into something pretty spectacular.
So join us as we begin flipping the farm. So it's week 2.
Good morning. Hope everybody's doing all right. Yep. In case you're wondering, we do wash these. We just wear the same
We wear the same clothes every day, go home and strip down in the laundry room and wash everything, and here we are again each day. But we hope you enjoyed last week's video. It's just mostly the same thing for now, just cleaning and burning and getting rid of lots of branches and trees and stuff like that. So today we got started around 8 a.m. and you'll have to excuse my hoarse voice. Being out in that wind and smoke and all just really did a number on my throat. So you can see here all these brush piles. We got all of that burned by about 1:30 today. Some of our friends from church wanted to come over and help, so we definitely didn't want to turn that down. They were super, super helpful with everything, dragging the brush and burning it and all. This one tree right here was driving me absolutely crazy. Every time I turned the corner to go out that little bitty gate, those branches were poking me in the eye. That tree will eventually be removed, but for now, I had to take care of it. We were also able to go ahead and load up these bigger items that were taking up space in the house and just really no good at all. We got the dumpster nice and loaded up today with tons and tons of junk and just trash that was piled up around the place. And it's just really, really beginning to look different around here. This is where we spent the majority of our day today, taking out all of those trees right there. They're just really overgrown on the fence lines and not where we want them at all. Hey, we've been out here since 8 o'clock this morning, and it is 2 o'clock.
I have gone through 3 blades in 8 days.
Chainsaw
blades. Unbelievable amount of cutting and trimming and so forth and so on. So you guys have probably done some of the same exact kind of stuff, but it is definitely progressing.
Lots of progress, and we have friends that have showed up and helped, and we're super grateful for those friends. So today we accomplished a whole heck of a lot, and the weather is perfect for us. So
yeah, hope you guys are having an incredibly good day, and maybe some of you guys are actually getting a rest, but
not us.
Anyway, we're going to be a little busy for a little while, but looking forward to showing you some more results.
So this dumpster was delivered yesterday morning, and we had put a little bit on the right-hand side there, but today us gals literally filled this dumpster. I don't even know what we're going to do when it comes time for demoing the house. I guess we'll just have to rent another dumpster. Notice something? The red truck is gone, so that's progress for sure. There's Mike over there taking a break. Can't get him to do anything. He just sits around all day. Lazy thing. Just kidding, he's been busting it. Let me walk you over here. I know. Here's what he's been doing. That fast motion video I showed you. He took a fall a while ago. He was pulling a big vine out of a tree and fell backwards. It was actually pretty comical. Kind of bummed I didn't get that on video. Hey, show us your poison ivy, Mike. Oh, you guys, this is awful. He's got it all over him. Had to get a steroid shot yesterday.
Not too bad on this one.
Does it hurt?
Not too Too bad that big old bush is gonna hurt when it pops. Look at that.
Oh my goodness. Ooh,
Got
don't
one
touch
right
it.
there too.
Ugh. Yikes.
One vine on the whole property.
We're pretty pumped about this right here because this is the last of that big crepe myrtle that we took out on, I don't remember what day it was last week, but if you go back and watch last week's vlog, you'll see that there was a huge dead crepe myrtle there, and this tree was kind of engulfed by it. So as soon as our friends get here in just a little bit, we're gonna go ahead and chop this sucker down. We had to hook a chain up to it and then up to our pickup, and then gently, carefully pull it away from the structure of the house. And yeah, really excited to get this done, because it's going to just open the front of the house up even more. Yes, nice! Woohoo! Where's your celebration dance? These guys are seriously the greatest, y'all. They worked so hard with us, and we were all so busted tired at the end of the day. You will be meeting them soon, and very soon, I promise. But overall, today was a great day. We accomplished so much. Because of the freezing cold weather, today consisted of removing this OSB board that divides the living room from our bedroom, basically. The guys just jumped up there and removed all that. We are going to end up being able to reuse this wood somewhere else in the house, like the attic maybe or something. So that's good. While the guys were removing all of that OSB board, us gals were just measuring out and trying to configure furniture placement, the kitchen, the dining room, the living room, just to see what we could come up with for floor plan purposes. Here I'm just giving you a glimpse of the room from all angles, just showing you from the living room side and now from the bedroom side. It looks so much bigger, but again, those will all get sheetrocked up, the walls, and it will become smaller again. We most certainly want to utilize every inch of this space as best we can. Woo! It is a beautiful day out. A whopping 14 degrees. We're gonna run over and check out the farm.
Well, here we are in the middle of a snow sleet storm. I know the folks that live up north are not thinking this is a big deal, but for us around here, it's a pretty big deal.
Had to put a damper on our work day, that's for sure.
Yeah, we don't have any heat in the place yet, so we'll definitely be observing from the inside of the car today.
Yucky weather. Some people love this. We do not, especially when it keeps us from doing what we love to get out and do. There's the big eyesore that hopefully will be going away very soon. So the weather this week really put a damper on things for us, but we're really looking forward to working next week. And right now we are picking up a machine that's going to help us remove the tile in the living room floor. So yeah, next week's going to be filled with lots of inside action.
See y'all next week.